Alright, so today we are looking at functions in relation, and we are looking at the inverse of a function or inverse functions. Okay, so we have the first example to demonstrate that a function is defined on a set of real numbers by f of x mapping to 5x minus 9. We are supposed to find the inverse of the function f. Okay, so let's start. We have our solution there. So we have f of x, this is the function given now, is equal to 5x minus 9. This is f of x because it's telling us that our function f contains the variable x. So it's made up of the variable what, x. So that is why it's f of x. So the first step to find the inverse of the function is that we are going to let f of x be equal to y. Now if f of x is equal to y, you agree with me that we are going to get y is equal to 5x minus 9, which is going to be f of x is being equal to what? Y. So if now we have y equals what? 5x minus 9. The next step is that we are going to interchange what? The variables. Interchange the variables. Okay, we are going to interchange the variables. Okay, we'll come back to this side. Interchange the variables. So basically interchanging the variables means that wherever I see x, I'll swap it to y and vice versa. Okay, so I'm going to get x being equal to 5y minus what? 9. So add x being equal to 5y minus 9. What do I do next? The next thing I'll do is that I'll make y the subject. I'll make y the subject. Okay, so making y the subject, I'm going to group like I'm going to get 5y being equal to x plus 9, and then 5y being equal to x plus 9 all over 5. Multiply both sides by the coefficient of y, then y is standing alone, x plus 9 over 5. Now this x plus 9 over 5 becomes what? The inverse function. So it means that the inverse function f prime of x is equal to x plus 9 over what? 5. And that gives us the inverse function. Okay, this is how we represent the inverse. So if I write f prime of 1, it means the inverse of f. So inverse of f of x is equal to what? X plus 9 over what? 5. So basically this is how we find the what? The inverse of a function. The steps again, you will let f of x be equal to y. It's not all the time that the question is going to be f of x. Sometimes it's going to be f of y, f of q, f of t. So you just let the function be equal to what? Any variable that you want. Here we are using y because we have x in the what? In the question already. So we let f of x be y. So that's the first step. The second step is that we interchange the variables, and that is here. And the last step is that you make what? The variable that you make, you let the function is equal to, you make that variable the subject, and that becomes what? The inverse function for your question given. So this is what we have for now. Let's meet in the next video, and then we'll continue with the rest of the examples. Thank you.